them so you can pick what's right for you.
Did you know that professionals with Agile certifications earn up to 20% more than their non-certified counterparts? That's right. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the power of Agile certifications. In a world where business sectors are increasingly adopting Agile practices, these certifications aren't just pieces of paper. They are recognitions of expertise in Agile concepts, gateways to project management. From broad Agile principles to specific methodologies like Scrum or even scaling Agile skills, these certifications cover a wide spectrum. Think of them as keys that unlock doors to new career paths, doors that may otherwise remain closed. And while experience is undeniably important, these certifications can provide